The three most important AI innovations of 2023. In many ways, 2023 was the year that people began to understand what AI really is and what it can do. It was the year that chatbots first went truly viral, and the year that governments began taking high risks seriously. Those developments weren't so much new innovations as they were technologies and ideas taking center stage after a long gestation period. But there were plenty of new innovations too. Here are three of the biggest from the past year. Multimodality. Multimodality might sound like jargon, but it's worth understanding what it means. It's the ability of an AI system to process lots of different types of data, not just text, but also images, video, audio, and more. This year was the first time that the public gained access to powerful multimodal AI models. OpenAI's GPT-4 was the first of these, allowing users to upload images as well as text inputs. GPT-4 can see the contents of an image, which opens up all kinds of possibilities. For example, asking it what to make for dinner based on a photograph of the contents of your fridge. In September, OpenAI rolled out the ability for users to interact with chatbots by voice as well as text. Google DeepMind's latest model, Gemini, announced in December, can also work with images and audio. A launch video shared by Google showed the model identifying a duck based on a line drawing on a post-it note. In the same video, after being shown an image of pink and blue yarn and asked what it could be used to create, Gemini generated an image of a pink and blue octopus plushie. The marketing video appeared to show Gemini observing moving images and responding to audio commands in real time. But in a post on its website, Google said the video had been edited for Brevidient, that the model was being prompted using still images, not video, and text prompts, not audio, although the model does have audio capabilities. I think the next landmark that people will think back to and remember is AI systems. Going much more fully multimodal, Google DeepMind co-founder Shane Legg said on a podcast in October, "It's early days in this transition, and when you start really digesting a lot of video and other things like that, these systems will start having a much more grounded understanding of the world." In an interview with Time in November, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said multimodality in the company's new models would be one of the key things to watch out for next year. The promise of multimodality isn't just that models become more useful. It's also that the models can be trained on abundant new sets of data, images, video, audio that contain more information about the world than text alone. The belief inside many top AI companies is that this new training data will translate into these models becoming more capable or powerful.